Hey guys, it's Randy with Low Buck LS again, and this time we're going to install a cheap Amazon manual boost controller. So I think this is, obviously there's not a brand or anything on it. I think it's a knockoff of like a Turbo Smart manual boost controller. So flip the camera around here and we'll get started putting this in. So this is all the stuff it comes with. I don't even know what this is. There's no instructions or anything. That might be if you're installing the boost controller remotely, like so you can control it from inside the cab. But I'm just going to use this piece, and there's a bracket to mount it and some clips and some hose. So right now basically my wastegate comes straight off of there's a port on the turbine housing there. Can't really see it very well, but yeah, right there, there's a piece of black rubber tubing that goes to the wastegate, and it's just running strictly off wastegate spring right now. So I think I'm going to mount this boost controller with the little bracket right about there, and yeah, then we'll basically splice this boost controller into that hose, and we'll put it on there with the way it says wastegate that way, and we'll start out with the boost turned down as far as it'll go, and then we'll take it out for a test drive and turn it up a notch or two and see how well this thing works. So right now we'll get this thing mounted and get the hoses hooked up, and then we'll take it for a drive and see how it does. Okay, so pretty simple to install. I just got it screwed to the back of that headlight bracket there, and one hose coming from the compressor housing of the turbo, and the other side going to the wastegate here. So I've got it turned all the way down, so I would expect it should make about what it made on spring here. So expecting it to make about 5 pounds of boost. So we'll take it for a quick test drive and confirm that, and then we'll turn it up a few notches and see how it controls boost. Alright, me and Low Buck Tuck are ready to test out this boost gauge here, so we'll fire up the truck and take her for a burn. Okay, we're sitting at a red light here, so we'll give her some gas when she turns green here and see how well our boost controls. I'm expecting it to be around 5-6 pounds of boost. Here we go. Yeah, that seemed to control at about 5 pounds, so we'll pull over here and turn her up a couple notches. Okay, yeah, so I went up 3 notches on that boost controller, so we'll see what it does now. Got a little sideways on me there, just about. This thing pulls. So yeah, I was looking at the gauge that time, and it's, yeah, 7 or 8 pounds. So boost controller seems to work. What the heck, let's turn it up a couple more notches. I'll have to carefully watch my AFR gauge though. Okay, I got that manual boost controller turned up about 3 more notches, so like I said, I'll have to keep an eye on that air-fuel ratio gauge pretty close, because in danger of getting lean, but we'll see how it does here. She's definitely making boost. Again, the truck was getting a little sideways, and I had to watch the road and not the boost gauge, but boost controller seems to be working anyways. I don't know if you guys will be able to hear this, but just going to do a couple highway pulls here to see how it controls. Boost within a pound or so of 10 pounds. Alright, so boost gauge seems to work relatively well. I don't know if you guys could hear anything when I was doing, I did a couple highway pulls at the end there, and yeah, it seems to be controlling within a pound of 10 or 11 pounds, so I think we'll call it a win. Now we're gonna have to do some wide open throttle tuning and some more VE tuning to get our air-fuel ratio dialed in, now that we're able to turn up the boost. And I also want to do that catch can install and PCV delete, so those videos will be coming up. And thanks for watching. We'll talk to you on the next one. Bye for now.